I just realized I've been talking to myself and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. I am so bad that I don't even want to have to repeat it. Okay, it's okay. We're okay. I'm a little bit of an idiot, but we're okay. The Jawbreaker, it gave me skill check. You know what? That's why it's giving me speed or something. So I am playing this game again. Woohoo! It only took months for me to get motivation to play this again after I had to get a new account. Oh god, we have distracted. It's okay. But I had to get a new account, so now I have to restart the entire thing and get everyone again. It's just, oh god, okay, yeah, it's really annoying. It's really annoying. Can I encourage you? Good job. So yay, this game again. I currently have Boxton, Rudy, Tisha, Finn, and Toodles, but I will get more eventually. Since I did just start playing again. I mean, I played a little bit when I first made the account, but I gave up a little bit because I was really tired of like having to grind all of that again. But I'm back. Woohoo!